Agawashinigawa! Hot! Care for the middle top.
That looks kind of cool. A lot farther up than I thought we were.
Oh, let's get walking. Yeah, the waterfall for that.
Big rock. Boulder. What do you think that is?
What?
That.
This?
Yeah.
Water managing spot.
Oh. With a weird bug on it. Champanogas Reservoir. At least I think. There's a lot of egg wash and egg in here. If you fell into that, you would die. Yeah, you would die. Joe, come do it from right here.
Slow-mo this, mother truckers.
That tells you how deep it is. That the douche will tell you how deep it is. I can't throw that. I can throw that now. Barely. I barely made it.
Yeah! Hot! Got him! Felt good on my lips.
What would happen if that tree came down right now? Ah! I would die. I'd be a bug. Squish. Squish like a little bug. Like the ant on the bottom of my shoe. Squish. Oh, look at right there. Oh, that's cool. Look right there. Big wide opening. Wow. Look at all those rapids. Yeah, if you fell on this, you were definitely dead. Oh, look at that. There's an island. The mysterious island of Jumanji. Filming a YouTube video, yeah. Why? Ashley, look! The mysterious island of Jumanji! Covered by trees that you can't really see it. Whoa, landslide. That happened a few years ago. Just about dropped my tablet. Another Jumanji! Explore! I haven't explored that one yet. So fast. I'm like a cavern.
The next parking lot over. Literally.
We're in like a cavern of trees.
I'm gonna walk the same place and see. Gosh, that's weirder.
What?
Cause look, my normal walking speed.
That's not your normal walking speed.
Yeah, it is.
This is mine.
His normal step.
Like this is my normal, everyday step.
I take a break, so he's got 6 foot legs.
4 foot.
Hey, Ashley, you're short.
Oh, my feet, so weird. I hate wearing shoes. I want my boots back.
Why are you wearing your boots back?
Cause
Didn't you see that they hurt your feet?
they do, but like they feel normal. These don't.
Listen to that.
I walk like this when I'm walking in tennis shoes. I walk like this when I'm walking in boots.
Wow, that sounds awesome. Wow. Oh my gosh. There's a... Mom, there's a tree growing on a rock. I don't know if you can see it right there. There's a tree growing on a rock. Right there and there. There's a ton of rapids right here. All this white stuff is rapids. Yeah, if you fell into that, you're definitely dead. Mom, how deep do you think it is?
A couple feet. But the thing is, the water's so fast that it's such
Boulder! So my brother says it's a couple feet, but I think it's more like 10 feet. And he's right about the water going fast. Mom, what's this place called again? What? Bridalveil Falls.
Yeah, see, there's your road.
Yeah. We parked like really far away from it, so there's the other road. Boulders! Boulder!
Yeah.
Boulder!
Climb up there.
I can't.
Why?
Mom, can we stop for a second?
What?
So I actually film me getting on top of the boulder.
No, it's fun. Break your head.
Darn it! I want to get on top of the boulder. I don't think there's a way to get on top of the boulder. Yeah. Hi, Mom! Boulder! Oh! Hola. I'm back.